Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the cursor loading blinking circle issue on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, it is simply a easy one step. So, to do this, what you need to do is just right click on your start button. Then from here, just click on run. Then in here, just type msconfig. Then just click on OK. And after that, this system configuration window will open up. And if your startup type is selected to selective startup or diagnostic startup, make sure it's selected to normal startup. Change it to normal startup. Load all the drivers and devices and services. Just click on apply, click on OK. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix cursor loading blinking circle issue on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.